SmartBar. It's time to get some protection under your car with the SmartBar. This is a complete replacement for your vehicle's OE skid pad. The UVA from SmartBar sets itself apart from the competition as it's so light and really easy to install. You don't have to worry about corrosion or heat issues. The SmartBar UV is a complete replacement for the original skip pan, and you can drive in the harshest conditions. It doesn't matter if you drive over rocks, stumps, and ruts, you're protecting the car's most susceptible area to damage. It's all manufactured in South Australia, so you know it's been through the harshest desert conditions on Earth. Artago Car Anti-Theft Device. How do you keep your car protected in this day and age? Well, you get yourself the Artago Car Anti-Theft Device. This is a high-security lock that does more than your classic steering wheel lock. The Artago Car Anti-Theft Device is the only anti-theft device on the market that doesn't need the gear shift lever to be in the same position as the handbrake. That means you can lock the gearbox in any position. It's also compact. You can store the Artago Car Anti-Theft Device in the car's glove box, and you have a screw adjustment that's completely patented. It allows you to set the size based on the car, no need to adjust it every time. Smart Chassis Sensor. If you're serious about knowing how your cars are performing, then look this way right now. We're featuring the latest in smart sensor tech, which is the Smart Chassis Sensor from ZF. The chassis sensor is an aftermarket install that goes into the car chassis, and it records so many inputs you'll always be ahead of what your vehicle needs. All the data collected is sent to the ZF cloud, where it's analyzed in real time, and then you get an understanding of real hazards coming up, when you'll need maintenance, and the suspension tuning for the road frequency. It can even tell you the weight of the payload you're carrying, which is perfect for delivery drivers and long-haul logistical companies. WeatherTech BumpStep. Never fear the touch parking creatures again. Not when you have WeatherTech at your side. These carefully considerate individuals have come up with a hitch-mounted bump step that keeps your car protected against distracted, careless, and downright clumsy drivers. The bump step is available in both a standard and XL size, and it defends your truck against rear-end accidents, dents, and scratches. It creates an additional safeguard so you don't have to worry about backing into a fire hydrant, or if a shopping cart swings by, you're protected against nicks and scratches. The bump step can be easily installed in very little time, and it can even support the weight of a full-grown adult, giving you an additional step up to the roof of the car. IQAir Atem Car. If you want to keep your cars free from smells, bacteria, and all those nasty pollutants, then consider this, a compact vehicle air purifier. But not just any air filter will do. This is the Atem Car, and it's an air purifier that's specifically built for cars. It helps keep the air clean and moving. Viruses and bacteria don't stand a chance, as well as pollen and allergens. The Atem Car uses a Hyper-HEPA advanced filtration system in order to manage your car's air purity. While you can use this as a set-and-forget system, there's an integrated mobile app that lets you customize the fan's speed settings so you decide how much is filtered through. It's integrated with a children's lock, and the filter is replaceable. LITESTIX. We've got something that'll help all those grease monkeys get under the hood and get some serious illumination going. This is the LITESTIX, a 1200 lumen underhood work light that's lithium rechargeable, and it's totally versatile. It's also great when working under the carriage, giving so much light that it's almost blinding, but you can control that. The battery is a powerful 2600 mAh Li-ion and lasts over 6 hours of continuous use. The housing is impact resistant, so don't worry about delicately handling it. There are also built-in magnets. Yes, it mounts and it's hands-free on any hood. So what do you get? You get 36 LED lights that run on an adjustable cradle frame. It's a whole lot of light, and it won't break the bank. SPLACH Zippy. Okay, you have a phone holder and you gotta plug it in to charge it. It's a pain every time, but it doesn't have to be thanks to the SPLACH Zippy, a multi-purpose wireless charging phone holder, and for the tech enthusiasts, you can see all the guts of it, the whole circuit board, including the charging coil. Very cool, right? It's really compact, only weighing 112 grams, and it comes with anti-slip silicone pads. It has the ability to rotate to many angles, and it uses a touch sensor at the front and rear to automatically open and close. You can charge it at 15 watts and even 66 watts if you have an external magnetic charging tip. Cases on your phone, don't worry about it. It can handle up to 7mm thick cases without issues. MultiPro Tailgate. Your car is more than a vehicle, it's your workhorse, your tool shed, and also the site of parties. You need a tailgate that can perform, and GMC has it. Their MultiPro Tailgate is rugged and designed for all situations. The hinge works like a conventional tailgate, and there's a smaller inner gate that's hinged within the primary gate itself. All this leads to the ability to use the tailgate as a bed extender, an entry step, and everything in between. You can use the MultiPro Tailgate as a load stop to ensure your items like dirt bikes and paddleboards don't slip out of the box. Lowering the tailgate means you can get 7 to 9 feet closer to the truck bed than with regular tailgates, making loading and unloading a whole lot easier. Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Extend the carrying power for your car and enhance its almighty capacity with the Fivkelman's Car Rooftop Carrier. This is a cargo carrier for your roof that fits all cars. Doesn't matter if it has a basket tray, racks, side rails, crossbars, or even nothing, it'll work, period. This has 20 cubic feet of holding space and 10 reinforced straps to make sure it's tight and secure. The anti-slip mat means no sliding even on the bumpiest roads, ensuring your car's roof doesn't scratch. You can quickly attach and unhook within minutes, and it's 100% waterproof, so don't worry about rainy weather delaying your trip. Your gear's gonna be bone dry. The material is military grade, and it's a soft shell bag, so it's lightweight and adjusts to the size of the cargo. weBoost Drive Reach. Turn that tin box of a car into a magnetic cell phone tower that creates crystal clear reception for your phone with the weBoost. This is a vehicle cell phone signal booster that acts as an antenna, and it works with all US carriers. This is a game changer for connectivity. The outside antenna just looks for the closest cell tower, and like a magnet, it pulls in connectivity. The step-by-step videos show just how easy it is to set up and troubleshoot, and it shows the nearest cell tower so you can actually navigate your way to better reception. It's the perfect solution for making sure your road trips have the passengers entertained. It can make sure your navigation is on point, and it mounts with a magnet or an adhesive to the outside of your vehicle. QBUC Car Air Freshener. Turn your car into a sweet-smelling paradise with the QBUC Car Air Freshener Solar Energy-Powered Cologne Aromatherapy Diffuser. This is a novel way of providing a fresh scent to that horrible-smelling car. Equipped with 2 solar fan blades that rotate when kissed by the sun, it allows fast diffusion of scents in the car. You're always ready for your aromatherapy recharge when you drive with the QBUC Car Air Freshener. Canopy. Protect your gear and go all out on security in your pickup truck with the Canopy from Ford Motors. This is a state-of-the-art camera recording system that provides you with real-time alerts when someone's getting a little too friendly with your pickup truck. You've got intelligent AI intrusion monitoring with an ultra-wide 180-degree field of vision and night vision. Best of all, you don't have to hire anyone to set this up with easy-to-follow online instructions, and it's always powered on through the vehicle's OBD2 port. It's full protection no matter where you are, a job site or a private residence. You're always connected no matter what.